Starting question 8 and 9 of Cambridge Primary Mathematics Workbook 3. This is the end part of this unit, which is fractions of shapes. Let's get started.
This is the part of a shape, but this is a 1/3. It means suppose 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. If we say half of this shape, it means 1 and 2, this is a half. So this is a 1/3. So what is the full? So 1/3 of, we don't know the actual one, but result is 4. 1 2 3 4. So it means once we multiply this one, it means 3 times 4, we will get what? 12. So 12, if we divide 3 part, we will get 4 square. So draw two different whole shapes. It means we can draw like draw two different whole shapes. I already draw. Here is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Look, these 12, 1/3, it means 4. Here is a 4. Similar another shape, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Very simple, right? Now what it was 1/5 of a whole shape. Similar thing, 1/5 of, we don't know, but result is 4. It means 5 times 4. 5 times 4, it will be 20. So 20. What if it was 1/5 of a whole shape? Whole shape is 20 square. So again we have to draw this one, but before draw we have to finish this one. This is 1/10 of a whole shape. So here is a 1. Okay, so 1/10 of whole shape, we don't know, but result is 1. So 10 times 1, 10 times 1, it will be 10. So here we will make 20 shape, and here we will draw 10 shape. So one by one, just stay with me.